So today I want to show you how to build a simple REST API using Java Spring Boot. The first thing we're gonna do is open up our browsers and navigate to Spring Initializer. Here we're gonna set the project as Maven, set the language as Java. I'm gonna leave the default version of Spring Boot. For the group ID, I will just slightly modify it and say that it is rest.webservices. For the artifact ID, I will just put RESTful web services. I'm gonna leave everything as is. The Java version has to be 17 plus for this particular version of Spring Boot. The only dependency we need for a simple REST API is going to be Spring Web. So we can add that, and then we can go ahead and click generate. Once the project has been generated, all we have to do is unzip it. So I'll just extract it into my downloads folder. Now if we go back to our Eclipse IDE, we can import the Maven project. I have to navigate to where I downloaded the project and select the folder, and then we can click finish. Once the project has been imported, we can see that we have the main Spring Boot application, and to make a Hello World REST API, I will need to create a new class. I'll make a new package for this and I'll put it in the Hello World package, and the class name is going to be Hello World Controller, and we can click finish. So the first thing we have to do here is identify this as a REST controller. You can organize imports. Okay, once that is done, we can go ahead and create our method, which is going to be a public string hello world, and all this is going to do is return the string hello world. But first we have to set the endpoint, so we're going to type in get mapping, and we're going to set the path equals to hello world. Then again, organize imports. We can save that, and then we can right click on our main application file, right click on it, say run as Java application. Here we can see that Tomcat has been initialized to port 8080. So back in our browser, we can type in localhost 8080 hello world, and we can see our output there. That means that our REST API is working as expected. So that's it for today. Until next time.